Where can I get Chromium binaries? I want to have Chromium on my Windows machine, but I find only instructions how to make it from sources on official site. Are there any official pre-built binaries?
Since the link to the snapshot seems to change more often than I can keep track of, I recommend using this link Chromium AppSpot download to download the latest binaries for each OS. It detects your OS and then offers the latest build automatically. You can find snapshots of all the nightly builds of Chromium here. Chromium builds. Each OS has a folder and the latest version number is available under the latest folder or just sort by date descending.
As stated by Diego, you can download binary releases via the Chromium browser snapshots repository. Combine this with a quick check of which version_number you need at Omaha Proxy, and you get a nice direct link to your desired stable release without accessing the slow snapshot lister website. http://commonddatastorage.googleapis.com/chromium browser snapshot/index.html ? Path equals win/+version_number+/. Don't forget the slash at the end. For example, the current dev release, at the point of this writing, is 113,143, and can be found at this URL. I guess this was what you were looking for.
If you prefer to use only latest stable Chromium release, or latest good Chromium build, for Windows users, check this website. This URL. The site is auto-updated each day. You can also find links to most recent builds here, this URL. This is my site, which I made after facing some frustration while looking for newest builds myself. Just wanted to help people like me smile. It dynamically generates links to newest builds every time you refresh. BTW, those links go to original build repository mentioned by Diego, so this is merely a wrapper site which does not host any files by itself. Hope it helps.
Most